Hey guys, so I just found this website that these kids are using to scam and stuff. So this uses a vulnerability called XSS, which is basically cross-site scripting. So I click on this button, sends a request to another website, and that grabs the cookies from the other website, like the victim website, and sends it to something. And in this case, it's trying to send to this Discord webhook. So these people are trying to scam Roblox accounts. So if I click on send, it actually sends a message to this webhook. So if we go into inspect element right here, and let's full screen this. Now if we go to sources, check index. So as you see, we got a post request, and right here it sends a post request to this Discord webhook. So let's go to this Discord webhook. So as you see, impeccable, whatever, token of the bot, all that stuff. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a Python bot that just infinitely spams this thing. So let's start off by putting this thingy in Python. Let's just name this spam.py. Alright, got that. So now what we're going to do is first thing we're going to do is import our request module. Now we're going to define a URL as this. So now we're going to create a data dictionary, and this data dictionary says that the username of the bot is going to be, you know what, let's just name it impeccable. Get out a comma. Let's make the content of the bot say you know what? I'm going to find a really stupid avatar URL, so I will be right there. Alright, so pretty sure we got it. Now if we do avatar is equal to this, pretty sure that that should work. I don't know a lot about sending Discord. Okay, no, sorry, it's avatar underscore URL. That's what we post. So once we got that, we are going to send the content. What should the content be? You know, we're going to name this impeccable sucks. Our content is going to be, what should it say? You know, I'm going to advertise my YouTube channel. Screw it. So we're going to make it XSS my ass sub to Jack this Giant. Now we're just going to embed the link. Now we're going to create a thing called result. We're going to create a variable in result, and all the result is requests.post URL data is equal to JSON. Or I'm sorry. JSON is equal to data. And now if we print out the result, let's just check this, see if it sends. Yep, alright, so it sent. So now what we're going to do is put this in a while true loop. So we can do while true, run this, and now if we just run it, there we go. So that, my friends, is why you don't scam people. If there's one thing that you should take away from this, is that you should not scam. Pretty screwed up thing to do. And if you do it, I'm going to be on your ass. So anyways, have a good one. Goodbye.